Akiaria mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Naikuru, Minista wa uruti wa wira Simon Cherugu yaugite ati makiria ma andu 339 nio mandikitwo mugunda-ini wa mahua no indi igutha ria COVID-19 rikimahutia na makiheo rutha wira-ini hatari marihio mothe.
We have cargo flights, and these flights used to carry passengers and cargo. But now, because of the closure or the cessation of movement from country to country, planes are not carrying passengers. So the remaining space is being occupied by cargo, including flowers, which has contributed to increment of this cost.
No thutha wa thoko cia mahua kuhingurwo riu wendia wa mahua niyongererekete kuuma gicunji kia 30 nginyagia gicunji kia 80 harĩ igana.
As a result of COVID-19, a number of farms were struggling and they were not able to pay salaries, but due to the release of the VAT refund by the directive from His Excellency the President, we have been able to have the farms running again.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa kiama kia Agriculture Employers Association WCL nioritie arimi matigate mwihoko kuona urimi uyu no urieriuka ihinda riaguo riakinya ona thengia ya gukorwo andu ni mavutitwo mawira migunda-ini ino.
An entire 44 acres of flower farm are submerged and various other areas which form part of the riparian land within Naivasha.
This is a natural catastrophe that we have no control over, and with that definitely we have to end up reducing some of our workers.
Ihinda-ini riu munini wa gavana wa kaunti ya Naikuru Korir nioritie thirikari itiririre arimi a mahua na aria migunda yao irikitie kugumirwo ni muiyuro wa mai. Girifotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.
Now it's regenerative.